Hi guys, it's me again. Cosming this video is float and sink. I want to see. I want to see. I want to see too. But I need to finish the float and sink and I get to see. Let me see what can I find. How about Dory? Here, Nemo. Let's use Nemo. And come. Wait a moment. We wait a while first. I think this is float. I think this is float. You go to in here. Take this, Yeah, it froze. Alright, but we wait a while also. A little bit of hot. Here is so cold, so I need some hot water. Almost a little while. Wow, wait a moment. Wait a moment, guys. Oh, no. It's okay now. Let's, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do our other one. Let me see. I need to find Oh yeah, I can find. Let's put some balls. Balls. I find some. I find some. Look, this ball. Insane. How about this ball? It floats. Oh yeah. What is this? This is marble. It sank. Okay, how about robot? I will float in there. 1, 2, 3. Damn. It's so much fun, but I cannot talk. I can play with a ball, but I wish I have someone to play. No worries. I have one more robot. I'm in here. We can play balls. Good idea, mister. Here, catch. Oh, can do. Cool. So much fun. Let's try another one. Here, let's put one more. Wait a moment, guys. fruits. Oh, I got me cold. I want to eat. At the moment, I want to eat too. And then we put one more, and then the fruits. The Roblox fruits also. Thank you. Now let's try one more thing, and then we'll say bye-bye. Haha, you don't think of this. Rah! I want to drink some water. Yummy. So yummy. I need a backup. I have a good idea. Can you see that way first? See that way, please. Please, see that way. You can see that way. I need some backup to drink. You can see right here. Here is your Mr. Water. Oh, it's so yummy. Thank you, Carson. You're welcome. I want to eat a... Now we'll almost say bye-bye, guys. But you say bye-bye to Gaga first. Oh, Gaga. Oh, Baba. Where are you? I put it here first. This is a drink for... This is a candy drink. Sounds yummy. We have a fruit drink to you. Oh, fruit drink. Fruit drink. I want to drink. I want to drink too. And then we'll say bye-bye. But let's, you see us to drink. Bye-bye. 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 And then I will drink this. You see, I will drink this. Here is... Oh, don't worry. I have my cup off. What is that? Yeah, a fruit drink for Papa Coke. It's not for you, Mr. Roblox. Oh, yummy! It's your turn, Uncle. Okay, I will try. Here. Yeah, yummy. How about Baba? It's last of you. Here. Oh, yummy. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. And then this is, again, my turn. But I wait a moment. I know who can say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys, and see you tomorrow.